Virgo. Tama? Is it 17?
No?
Pero birthday yun. Pwedeng pumunta ako sa Facebook mo at nakita ko yung birthday mo, right? My name is Justin Piñon and people call me the mental assassin because of my ability to read minds. Okay, look at me. Yung tingin mo sa akin, parang meron kang vibes na Virgo. Tama? Virgo siya? Okay. So, ang Virgo usually September, mga ganon. So, malawang September ka. Think of the day. Okay.
Kinabahan si Kuya Ken.
1, 2, 3, 4. I'm not sure if... Is it 17?
No?
Or nandun eh, no? 12, 17, 12. Yeah, okay. Year, ilang taon? Okay lang ba i-divulge mo kung ilang taon ka na? Okay lang, okay. Okay. 90s, 1999.
Yeah.
Yes! Thank you very much! Nice. Pero birthday yun. Pwedeng pumunta ako sa Facebook mo at nakita ko yung birthday mo, right? Kasi ganun na ano yung information, madali lang na siyang makuha, okay? So let's take this a little bit further, Kenji.